Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to play a game called Build a Block. We're going to make bigger shapes that are solid shapes for 3D using smaller shapes. First, let's review. Okay, everyone say the name of this shape. That's right, cube. This one, what's this one called? Pyramid. This one, cylinder. This one, sphere. And this one, cone. Okay. Listen to build a block.
Build a block. Shapes can be made from other shapes. Smaller shapes can fit together to make larger shapes. There are different ways to build this GeoBlock shape with smaller GeoBlocks. I can use 2 cubes to build a shape exactly the same size. I use triangular prisms to build a block that is exactly the same size. These blocks look like ramps. I covered one ramp with an upside down ramp. Then I used 3 flatter rectangular prisms to build a block that is exactly the same size. I made a sandwich with the flatter blocks. I can make one shape using many different shapes.
That's one of the things we're going to do. First, let's listen to the next one, describing triangular prisms.
Describing triangular prisms. Math word, triangular prism. A triangular prism is a 3D shape. These students are describing triangular prisms. It has flat sides and pointy corners. This block looks like a ramp. This block looks like a seesaw. There are 5 faces. I counted them. 2 triangles on the front and back, a long rectangle on the top, and 2 rectangles underneath.
So boys and girls, you probably have a triangular prism around your house, or you have your GeoBlocks with you to describe. I have one right here. This is a rectangular flat face. This is a triangular flat face. It has pointy corners and it has straight edges. And it's a solid shape, a 3D shape. Now, let me show you what we're going to do. We are going to build a shape. So, one thing we can do is we have a cube, and if we put another cube beside it, it makes a rectangular prism. So, 2 cubes together make a rectangular prism. We could take the triangular prism and we could put it up like that and make, it almost looks like a really cool parallelogram. Let me lay it down this way. Isn't that cool? You could also take the tiny little cubes that you have and you can build them like this to make a tiny little rectangular prism or a square prism, like a little cube like that. So what I'd like for you to do today is, let me get you back here, find shapes around your house or the GeoBlocks that you have and make a bigger shape using smaller shapes. Have fun with that. Maybe illustrate in your journal what you made.